Hello, Pinky. How are
Okay.
you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm great. How about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Thanks for asking. How has your day been?
It's quite busy and I was very tired. I thought, okay, after a long time we connected. We are going to connect. So I thought, okay, let's connect with ma'am. I have
Yeah,
been trying for a long time.
I know.
So I
And
will
you
connect.
fell sick. How are you now?
I'm good. I'm good. How about you,
Are you
ma'am?
get?
How's your health, your kids, and your family, and your school, everything?
Yeah,
How's
everything going
it going?
good and busy at this moment. So yeah, it's good. At work is going busy because we're going to have assessment soon. So we are preparing for that. Mm.
Okay. So,
Okay.
uh,
Mhm.
can I introduce myself, ma'am?
Yes, I was about to ask it.
Okay. So, as you know, my name is Pinky and I'm connecting to you from Punjab. If you talk about my studies, I have done my master's in Hindi honors and I'm homemaker and part-time I'm working as a beautician. So nowadays I'm learning English. So in order to, I have started my YouTube channel 2 days ago. Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
That's all about me.
Good to know about yourself. You are a multitasking woman, I think, because you are a beautician and also you are a homemaker and you are a YouTuber. Yeah, so many things you are doing together. That is great. Let me introduce myself. As you know, my name is Hema. I was born and raised in India, Delhi. But after getting married, I came to Australia. My qualification includes a post graduation degree in Hindi honors, which I have done from Delhi University. I have also done my Bachelor of Education in Australia. Therefore, I have been working as a teacher in Australia. And besides, I have a channel on YouTube, which is, the art of speaking English. Anything else would
Yes.
you like to know about me?
No, I know about you. I have seen
Okay.
your a lot of videos on YouTube,
Thank you so
and
much.
I found you. You have very kind nature, and you
Thank you.
encourages a lot people who is learning English nowadays. So I found you very good human being. So I thought, okay, let's connect with ma'am. So it's been long time. I want to connect with you. Finally, we are
Thank you.
connect.
Thank you so much for appreciating my efforts. I've been trying to do that, trying to motivate people. If I can help them in some way, I would be very happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say something about your hobbies.
I love writing, ma'am. Writing,
You love
sketching,
writing.
painting.
Okay, that's good. Good.
Yeah,
Okay, what do you write?
actually, poetries.
Poetries. Wow, so you are a poet too. That is great.
Mostly, I write romantic things, and apart from that, I write whatever I'm feeling
Okay,
about true
it's good.
feelings. Yeah,
It is good way to express ourselves through our poetry way because that way when we write something and we are expressing ourselves, you know what happened? Then all the distress which we are holding within ourselves is comes out. So that is a good thing you are doing it and it will help you to understand more yourself to other people as well because while you're writing you are reflecting, you are contemplating yourself. Yeah, that's
yeah,
good.
and in future, I would like to write in English as well. So that's why I'm learning English. So yeah, I
Yeah, it
have
is.
one of reason here for learning English.
So may I know how you have been learning English? What method you have been using?
Ma'am, I have seen a lot of video on YouTube, so I'm doing the same. Like I'm listening
Mhm.
a lot nowadays, listening a lot
Mhm.
and reading. Sometimes I reading and I'm
Mhm.
speaking. I do I'm doing three things nowadays. Only three things. I used to writing, but
Mhm.
I quit it because I'm very busy
Wow.
person. It is kind of
Yeah,
boring thing for me.
I know it's a kind of boring thing, but you know what happened when we write? We need to get some special time to write something. Even though if you are writing some message to your friends, you can just write in English. So that
Yeah.
way your writing will be completed.
Normal chat I do in English, ma'am. So you can say if I believe if we are doing 100% with in any field, like if I'm listening, so I have to listen 100%. That will be beneficial for me. Like whatever we are going to do, we have to do 100% in our side. So it will be beneficial for us. So
That's
whether it's writing or whether it's reading or speaking. So I chose three things.
That's really true, but all the aspects are very important. So, like, even if you are listening will help you to consume lots of English content. That way, you feed your mind English, and while you're speaking, you just getting those what you consume. You're taking this out, and when you're writing, it's also good because that time you pause. You have plenty of time to express yourself. If you're making mistake while you're speaking, you can fix it while you're writing. Yeah, so that is also a very good thing. Don't underestimate this. If you get just time, just 5 minutes or 2 minutes, you can just write it. Just one line, two, that would be enough. At least you will get some habit. Over time, you will see that you will be very fond of writing and write precisely, and you will take interest. So that way you will develop. And also, as you said, listening is very good. I do recommend that one. You have to listen. But if you are listening attentively, that will more beneficial to you. Because sometimes people they listen while they're engaging, they're doing some kind of works, they are busy, and that way they are listening, but they are not listening mindfully, attentively. So what happens when we are not attentively listening? We will not keep those content in our mind. It will not fix in our mind, and then it skips from our mind. Then we will forget.
Yes.
But we will say, okay, I had listened 30 minutes today, and that is finished. But the thing is, if you are not getting something out of that, so there is no benefit. So you need to see, okay, I'm listening to something. Is it really helping me? Did I learn something out of that or not? If you find yourself you didn't learn anything out of that, then it's kind of waste. But it's not kind of waste. At least you are giving your brain habit to listen to English. So that is
Yes, ma'am.
a good way. But still, if you listen attentively, that would be more recommended from my side.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I always listen attentively. If I do any household chores, at that time I just do my household chores. Sometime I play
Mm.
music. That's all. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Yes,
true.
ma'am.
So, how do you find yourself using those techniques? Do you think, yes, now you are very comfortable, your level going up because you are listening and you are engaging yourself in English content, English environment you have created by yourself? Do you find yourself, yes, now you are more eligible to express yourself in English?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, but I'm facing sometime I got stuck while facing people. On
Mhm.
audio call, I can speak whatever I want, and according to
Mhm.
me, most of time I speak right, but I make mistake in front of camera. So it is very new experience for me, and I chose this way so that I can gain more confidence
Yes.
by facing people. So it is very new
Mhm.
experience, and I know I come over from that weakness soon.
Yes.
I believe on myself.
Good to have a positive, you have positivity in yourself, you're holding it, and that way you are ignoring your mistake. You're thinking, okay, this is a part of my learning, and you consider that way you can develop. Leave it, ignore it. If you keep it in your mind, you are making mistake, you won't be able to develop. Your confidence level will go down, and once your confidence
Yes.
level go down, you feel demotivated. Then you won't be able
Yes.
to learn anything. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Whatever I'm following, ma'am, I got a lot of improvement in me.
Mhm.
Like initial days, I couldn't able to understand things, English movies or
Mhm.
any kind of English videos. But now I can understand 90%, 90-95% I can understand. Or whenever I come across with the random or difficult word, I just Google it, and
Mhm.
after that I search meaning. Yeah.
Mhm.
So yes.
That is a good way. You very into English, so this is good. That's why you are able to understand English, and you also using right techniques. Like if you find any difficulty to understand some words and you don't know the meaning, you look up in dictionary
Yes.
or on Google. So that is a good way to look because Google is available anywhere, anytime because of the internet. Now we have YouTube, so many other things available, so many facilities we have, so we can utilize that to learn English. So it's not a big deal. I think it used to be before because that time we had no much
Yeah.
internet
So much.
and no sources not available. But now we have so many
Yeah.
sources available. So if someone is not developing skills and someone is
Mm.
wasting his or her time on
Yes.
social media, just wasting time chatting with friends and all the other things
At
they
that
are
time,
doing.
at that time, like nowadays, by time English is improving, growing
Yeah.
every way, every field. It's a necessary language. But
Mm.
if we talk about past, at that time, English is not that much important. So people
Mm.
took that language. People was taking that language is very light. So by
Mm.
time, people taking interest towards English.
Mm.
English.
Mm.
So, ma'am, can we do activity?
Yes, if you want, yeah, we can do. Why not?
Yes, because the casual conversation it makes me bored. I really want to do something different always in every
Okay, do you
conversation.
have any activity or I tell you?
I have, but you tell me, ma'am.
Okay, so I give you three words. You can choose one word and make story out of that. Okay, family, flowers, beauty.
Okay, family, flowers, beauty. Okay. Mm, can I can I take some time, ma'am?
Something else?
No, no, no. I accepted this challenge.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So which topic you would like to talk about?
No, ma'am. I am thinking about it. Family,
Okay.
beauty, and flowers. Okay.
Which one you want to
So
pick?
okay, one pick करना है. Sorry,
Yes.
I have to make stories with the make story with three words.
No, just pick one topic and you can talk about that topic. You can express your ideas or your experience.
Yeah, okay. So I chose. I'm choosing. I'm going with beauty word. Beauty. And according to
That's why
me,
I have given
beautiful.
to you. I knew it. Okay.
According to me, beautiful person is that who is not looks who is not beautiful not with only their look. They
Mhm.
his how can I say um, that person not looking good.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
So you could say that according to me, beautiful person is who is not beautiful externally. Beautiful person is that person who is beautiful eternally. If someone
Yes.
has a beautiful heart, according to me, that person is beautiful person.
Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, yes, ma'am. And I always see people in different way because I am beautician. I always see people's feature most of time features. If we
Mhm.
talk about external beauty at that time I just notice people features, how someone
Mhm.
has eyes, nose, lips,
Mhm.
and I don't go with color complexion. And
Mhm.
yeah, I'm always mm, um, I always notice internal beauty too. It is very important
Mhm.
for me more than external beauty.
Okay,
Yes.
that is great. Now, would you like to give me some words?
What, ma'am?
Would you like to give me some of the topics? I can pick one.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Um, Indian life or foreign life?
This topic has given me so many times.
Okay. Mm. Like, I just want to know about your perspective. Like, what do you prefer to live? Like, do you like India most or foreign country most? I just know about your thinking.
According to me, there is no comparison. And if you want to live, Australia is a nice country. We have so many facilities available here. Life is very luxury here. We have job opportunity, career opportunity, and everything is easily available. But if I talk about India, because I have my family, I have my friends over there, so I miss being there because I was born there. So India is my birth country and Australia is my work country. So both are equal to me, very dear to me. So I cannot pick one of them.
Okay. And ma'am, I heard from you somewhere in one of your video. At that time, you were saying you made your channel because you can find your old friends, school friends. Did you find
I
any?
did not. I didn't find
Okay,
any.
but it's okay. You can make new friends here. And
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, who is how can I say? जो कि गवाह होंगे. How can I say? आपकी जर्नी के. How can I say, ma'am?
Okay. So they will be witness of my learning journey. Yeah.
Yeah, they will
They
be.
can see
Yeah.
me grow. So that would be great,
Yeah.
I think, because we have different life phases. Because when we child, we have different friends, and our thinking was different that time. But when we grow up, we change because the thinking process change and our habits change, our nature change. These are totally different things. We cannot compare one to other as well. Yes, I miss my childhood friend. I miss my college friend, I miss my school friend. But yes, as you said rightly, now I have friends here as well, and through YouTube I can make friends. Some people talk nicely, they want to keep in touch, so that is very good. I can learn from them, I can teach them, and through that I just get to know what is happening in India and other countries. So it is really very good platform. By this, like I'm talking with you, I don't know who is Pinky, but now you are sitting in front of me. Now I got some idea about you. So it is nice and appreciable. Like YouTube is providing us that platform, that opportunity. We can connect with people and we just get to know about them.
Yes, ma'am. Same here. Like because of this technology, we are learning like who people who can't afford their studies or work purpose of
Mhm.
fees and all. They always taking advantage from technology.
That's true. Okay, would you like to say something about yesterday, what you have done yesterday?
I had session with someone, and I yeah, it was nice conversation with ma'am Shilpa ma'am, and
Mhm.
she was YouTuber, and I edited one or two video for my YouTube, and yeah, it is very new experience for me, so it took much time, and I got headache after that. So
Yeah.
yesterday
It
was
is
very hectic day for me.
Today is very hectic day for me. Even though I am staying at home, I was trying to fix a couple of the things, but I don't know why I'm going slow. I feel like lazy, drowsy. I don't know why, because the way I'm talking, you can see and notice. Yeah,
No,
and
ma'am,
I'm talking.
you sound
It's been so.
energetic. You sound very normal.
Do I look like normal? But I know like I'm not very enthusiastic and not very curious today. I don't know what's happening this day with me because I overwhelmed with so many things. Now at job, I'm going to have assessment because people they're going to come and they're going to see if we are doing right way or no, and our paperwork and our interaction with children and how I am conducting meeting with my staff and also at work. So many things to catch up. Wrapped up now and nice talking with you.
Yes, ma'am. If you don't have
Okay.
issue with it.
Yes, same
Yeah.
here. Bye. Bye,
Thank you.
Pinky. Keep growing,
you,
keep
Jalika, ma'am.
learning, keep smiling.
Same here,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
You too, ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.